Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Snapshot Action Camera is probably one of the most versatile and durable action cameras on the market, designed to capture your most thrilling adventures with stunning clarity and stability, whether you're scaling mountains, diving into the ocean, or simply exploring your own backyard. Its advanced features and rugged construction make it the perfect companion for anyone who wants to document their experiences without compromise, ensuring that every moment is recorded in breathtaking detail. Number 5. AKASO EK7000 4K Action Camera. Capture your adventures in breathtaking 4K Ultra HD. This camera records professional quality video and takes incredible photos, offering 4 times the resolution of traditional HD. Never miss a moment of action with built-in electronic image stabilization. It ensures your videos remain steady and smooth, even during fast-paced activities. This camera is built to withstand extreme environments and comes with a durable waterproof case. It's ready for all your indoor and outdoor adventures. Easily capture the world from a new perspective with the included 2.4G wrist remote. Controlling the camera, framing shots, and recording video has never been more convenient. Connect to our app on your phone or tablet via Wi-Fi, up to 10 meters away. Edit and share your action-packed footage in minutes. What we like. This action camera offers professional 4K video and impressive 20MP photos, ensuring every moment is captured in stunning detail. Its built-in electronic image stabilization smooths out even the most fast-paced action. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile underwater camera for your adventures, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view. The video quality is surprisingly good for such a small camera. Number 4. AKASO Brave 4 Action Camera. Relive life's most beautiful moments with incredible video resolutions up to 4K 30 frames per second and crystal clear 20MP photos. Start recording the wonders of your life and capture every detail. With 4 adjustable viewing angles, you can capture the perfect perspective for any situation. Its built-in smart gyroscope technology ensures shock-resistant and stable shooting for incredibly smooth, professional-looking footage. Equipped with Wi-Fi and HDMI, you can effortlessly share and edit videos using the free app. Connect your device and easily share your exciting experiences with friends and family on a bigger screen. Place it in the waterproof case and dive up to 40 meters, making it ideal for all your water sports. The dual screens ensure you can effortlessly shoot in various scenarios, getting the perfect shot every time. This camera comes with a dual charger and 2 rechargeable batteries, each providing up to 90 minutes of recording. We've optimized accessories for activities like cycling and motorcycling, making it a versatile bundle. What we like. Capture life's adventures with stunning 4K video and 20MP photos, featuring an adjustable 170 degrees wide-angle lens for the perfect perspective. Its smart gyroscope technology ensures incredibly smooth footage, even during intense activities. If you need a camera with flexible shooting options and a helpful front display for selfies, this bundle is ideal for travel and sports. What people say. The camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The video quality is excellent, with clear and sharp images. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 3. Insta360X3 360 Action Camera. Introducing the Insta360X3, a revolutionary 360 action camera. It combines the power of 5.7K 360 video with the versatility of a 4K action camera for unbelievable potential. Capture stunning 360 active HDR video and then reframe your favorite shots with ease. Our AI-powered app lets you choose the perfect angle after you've filmed. Get incredible wide-angle footage with its 4K 30fps resolution. For an even wider perspective, switch to 2.7K 60fps max view for a 170 degrees field of view. Keep your footage incredibly smooth and level, no matter the action. Flow state stabilization and horizon lock ensure professional quality results every time. This camera is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for any adventure. Take it skiing, biking, or vlogging with confidence. Inside the box, you'll find the camera, a charge cable, a protective pouch, a lens cloth, and a user guide. Everything you need to get started. What we like. Experience the next level of content creation with 5.7K 360 active HDR video, giving you the power to reframe your shots after recording. This camera combines the versatility of a traditional action camera with the immersive capabilities of 360 capture. If you're a vlogger or content creator looking to push creative boundaries and offer unique perspectives, this is the camera for you. What people say. The camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view. The video quality is surprisingly good for its size, with clear and sharp footage. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for your adventures. Capture stunning moments with its advanced features and durable design. Shoot incredible video in up to 5K resolution, preserving every detail even when you zoom. Its powerful new sensor delivers lifelike sharpness and smooth motion, with impressive in-camera horizon leveling. Take crisp, professional quality photos with 20MP clarity. With Super Photo, it automatically optimizes image processing, making it easy to get the perfect shot every time. Navigate and frame your shots with ease using the new larger rear touchscreen and the dazzling front display. It offers intuitive control and makes framing your adventure simple. Enjoy up to 30% longer battery life with the improved 1720 mAh battery. This means you can shoot more and stay powered through any adventure, even in cold weather. Experience incredibly smooth footage with our most advanced video stabilization yet. HyperSmooth 3.0 provides in-camera horizon leveling and enhanced stabilization in all settings. What we like. Shoot breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution with incredible detail and fluid motion, perfect for maintaining clarity even when zooming. The new front display makes framing shots and controlling the camera effortless. If you prioritize top-tier video quality and ease of use for capturing high-action moments, this camera is a fantastic option. What people say. The camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The video quality is excellent, with clear and sharp images. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black Accessory Bundle. Introducing the GoPro Hero 10 Black Accessory Bundle, your ultimate companion for capturing life's adventures. This comprehensive package includes everything you need to get started. Experience a leap in performance with its revolutionary GP2 engine. It delivers snappy responsiveness, smoother touch controls, and double the frame rate for incredibly fluid footage. Capture breathtaking 5.3K video and 23MP photos with unparalleled clarity. Enjoy smoother motion with higher frame rates and incredible 8x slow motion capabilities. Its advanced sensor captures finer detail and better contrast, even in low light. The new hydrophobic lens cover ensures crystal clear shots by repelling water and reducing glare. Achieve unbelievably smooth footage with HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization. Enhanced low-light performance and an improved horizon leveling feature keep your shots steady and straight. This bundle comes complete with the Hero 10 Black camera, 2 rechargeable batteries, mounts, a USB-C cable, a shorty extension pole, a magnetic clip, and a protective camera case. What we like. This action camera boasts a revolutionary GP2 processor for faster, smoother performance and incredibly responsive touch controls. Capture stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second with HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization for unbelievably smooth footage. If you demand the absolute best in performance, image quality, and stabilization for your most demanding adventures, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The camera is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view. The video quality is surprisingly good for its size, with clear and sharp images. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.